Are you ready to unlock the incredible world of image generation like never before? Are you tired of the same old image generation tools? Looking for that secret sauce to create jaw-dropping visuals? Well, look no further because today, we're diving headfirst into the thrilling world of AI image generation. We're about to unveil the hottest tips and tricks for unleashing the full power of AI image generation. And guess what? You won't need to break the bank with those pricey MidJourney tools. We've got something even better for you, and it's absolutely free. Let's get started. Leonardo AI gives 150 tokens each day, and you can generate unlimited images using these tokens. It also has this featured model option, where you can generate images according to the nature of these models. Now you can see images on the timeline. These are the images generated by other people. You can also get your images featured here after signing up. For example, check this image. You can see the prompt details, the image resolution, and you can even check the model through which the image has been generated. The model is Dreamshaper V7. Also, it is an upscaled image, which means the user has applied some commands to alter the details in the image. Going back, let's choose the AI image generation option. Now it's time to write the prompt, but before this, I am going to set the image ratio. I will choose the 16:9 ratio, which is best for a YouTube video. Now I will open Notepad where I have already saved the prompt. Let's copy the prompt from Notepad and paste it in Leonardo AI. Sometimes AI generates images with broken pixels and some faults in them. You might have seen some images with 3 hands. I will tell you a secret to generate a perfect image. Click on this Add Negative Prompt option. This option will help Leonardo AI to ignore these things while generating the images. I have already saved the negative prompts on Notepad. Let's copy the Now let's try another prompt. Copy the prompt from Notepad and paste it here. From the number of images option, I will select 4 images according to the prompt. Now it's time to change the model. I will select the 3D animation style model. You can see AI has generated images in 3D animation style, which resembles the Disney style. Now I will generate the same images but with a different ratio. You can see the image ratio has been changed. You might have noticed one thing: the characters generated through AI are not consistent. The secret to generating consistent characters is to write the names of characters each time you enter the prompt. It will create a consistent image by identifying characters from their names. For your clear understanding of the featured model style, I am writing another prompt. This time, I am selecting the Anime Pastel Dream model. I am not adding the negative prompt this time. You can see AI has generated perfect anime style images. Let's change the model to 3D animation style, setting the image ratio, and here you go. Now let's try another model. I have already written the prompt. Now select the model. I will choose the Dreamshaper V7 model, and here you can see the result. Now I will tell you something about image resolution. As you can see, these images are pixel perfect and clearly represent the idea of the prompt. Some models are trained to provide the best results with specific dimensions. As you can see, the dimensions of these images are set at 640 by 832 pixels. Now I will show you the duplicated images that have been generated with the same prompt. The dimension is 976 × 544 pixels, and you can clearly see that the images generated with 640 by 832 pixels are more hyper-realistic and show the best result of the prompt.